So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Esports MP320S mousepad. I wanted a mousepad which does not have any kind of art or anime anything. I just need a plain black mousepad, so that's why I have chosen this Esports mousepad. So this mousepad comes from the brand called Esports, which makes gaming cases, keyboards, mouse and also mouse pads. So today I'm going to unbox this mousepad and tell you guys the features and specifications of this mousepad and how much it costed me. So this mousepad comes for around 300 rupees. This is a budget mousepad. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want this mousepad, then link is in the description below. Please check it out. And yeah, so this mousepad is spill proof, and especially this mousepad is 320S. S means speed. So this is especially a mousepad used for gaming, in games which we want fast movement and all. In that games we use this mousepad because it is speed, so it has a speed coating, which means this mousepad's coating is very smooth, which gives us fast movement and all with the mouse. So especially this is a S1, and this mousepad also comes with an other variant which is of MP320C. C is for control, which means it is for day-to-day tasks and normal story games and the games in which we want precise aiming and all. When we compare the C and S mousepads, S mousepads surface is very smooth, but when it comes to control mousepads, there's a lot of texture in it, not as smooth as this. So that's why there are two models in this mousepad. In this mousepad we get two brandings over here. So here it is written Esports and here it's written Gaming Unlimited. I really wanted a fast movement mousepad, that's why I have gone with S. If you want a precise aim and control over your mouse, if you need it for day-to-day tasks or editing, you can select a control one. Both control and speed model mousepads come under similar budget range and price range. I really did not like the packaging of this mousepad. When I was researching about this mousepad, seeing its review videos on YouTube, I noticed every one had a packaging of a box in which the mousepad has come, but for me the mousepad has come in just a simple plastic bag. So I'm really disappointed in that packaging. Now let's see the unboxing of the mousepad. So this is a XL mousepad. It comes with stitching around the edges of this mousepad, which protects us from any damaging of this mousepad. Or when you use mouse, it prevents us from crossing the edge and all. The quality of the stitching is not that great, but compared to the price, it's reasonable, and yeah, the quality is above average only. But I expected more quality from this mousepad. This mousepad also has a anti-slip base, which prevents this mousepad from sliding and all. It sticks really well to the whichever surface you place this mousepad. So yeah, it prevents this from moving here and there. And the main thing of this mousepad is it's a non-fadable fabric. The text and all which is there in this mousepad does not fade away. This mousepad is 3 mm thick, and it has a width of 300 mm and the length of 800 mm. So this is a really nice and large mousepad. It will cover both the keyboard and mouse, and still some place will be left out. So it's really great. And as you can see, there is more than so much place which is left out after keeping a 75% keyboard and mouse. So yeah, this is best size which you can get. As mentioned on the Amazon, this mousepad's weight is around 400 grams. So this mousepad is a waterproof surface, so if you spill any drinks or water on this, nothing to worry, just you can wipe it off and use it again. So when I'm recording this video, this mousepad is around 289 rupees on Amazon due to Diwali sale. So yeah, this is the best time you can grab this. But I don't think so I would be keeping this video that soon, because it takes me a lot of time to edit. So when I got this mousepad and when I started using it for my games, especially FPS games, I really needed that speed movement of the mouse, especially when a player is in front of the face and you really need to move the mouse here and there. This mousepad helps a lot during that time. For me, this mousepad has fulfilled all the requirements I want in my gaming. And if your requirements are also the same as me, then you may go with this mousepad. And if you want a texture or a design, then you may go with other mousepads. You may go with other brands like EvoFox and all. I really wanted a plain black mousepad. So these are all the features I know in this mousepad. So guys, this is it for this video. I have told you the features that I know, and I tried my best doing this video. So if anything which you don't like has come in this video or I have said, then please forgive me. I will try to improve myself. And yeah, again I'm telling you, if you want to buy this product, this mousepad, then link is in the description below. From there you can check it out. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm planning on making more videos, especially on I have recently did a video on this, but I still did not upload it. I'm still doing editing and the shooting recording of my face cam. Have just did the unboxing of this keyboard and especially this mouse. This keyboard is of EvoFox, and even this mouse is also EvoFox. And yeah, one more item is this Grenaro mic, wireless microphone, which comes under 1000 rupees. So these three unboxing will also come in the future videos, because I am managing my time and recording my face also. If you liked my video, then please. So anything that I have forgotten to tell in this video, so please, I am sorry for that, but I will try to include more points and features of the products. But right now I have limited knowledge of these things. I will try to be more knowledgeable on this product. Please comment down below how this setup is, and do I need to change anything in this setup, and how I need to improve myself. So please comment down below and share your response with me, so I can take that response and improve my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.